AI's future, transforming jobs rapidly. Stay updated. Telemarketing operators, AI-powered voice response systems and chatbots can take over customer service and sales roles. Cashiers and ticket sellers. Automated payment systems and online ticket sales can reduce these types of positions. Accountants and auditors. AI-based accounting software can automate financial transactions. Manufacturing workers. Automated assembly lines and robots can reduce human labor in production jobs. Postal carriers. Drone delivery and digital communication can decrease the need for postal distribution. Bank tellers and other banking jobs. Online banking and ATMs can reduce traditional banking jobs. Travel agents. Online reservation systems can narrow the role of travel agents. Warehouse workers. Automated warehouse systems and robots can replace human labor in warehouse management. Secretaries and executive assistants. AI-based assistants can undertake administrative tasks. Ticket inspectors. Electronic ticket verification systems can eliminate this role. Stock traders and analysts. Algorithmic trading can reduce human roles in financial markets. Legal researchers. AI can automate legal research and document review tasks. Insurance appraisers. Automated damage assessment and risk analysis can transform this field. Fast food workers. Automated ordering systems and food preparation robots can bring changes to the fast food sector. Machine operators. Advanced automation can render some machine operator roles redundant. Farming and agricultural workers. Automated tractors and harvesting robots can reduce agricultural jobs. Taxi and limousine drivers. Autonomous vehicles can impact this occupation group. Journalists. AI-based content creation tools can affect some journalism roles. Call center employees. Advanced chatbots can take over customer service calls. Air traffic controllers. Automated air traffic management systems can impact this role. Retail salespeople. Online shopping and automated stores can reduce retail sales positions. Library assistants. Digitization can transform library jobs. Film projectionists. Digital cinema technology has already significantly reduced this role. Research assistants. Automated data analysis and hypothesis testing can affect research assistant roles. Real estate agents. Online real estate platforms can change traditional real estate jobs. Construction workers. Construction robots and 3D printing can bring changes to the construction industry. Guides and tour operators. Virtual reality and augmented reality experiences can impact these roles. Human resources specialists. AI-based recruitment and assessment tools can transform HR jobs. Printing workers. Digitization and changes in printing technologies can affect printing jobs. Public relations specialists. AI-based content production and analysis can transform PR roles. Stay on the edge of excitement. Check out more videos and subscribe now for awesome content.